Psalm 11 for the director of the music of David. In the Lord I take refuge. How then can you say to me, flee like a bird to your mountain? For look, the wicked bind their bows. They set their arrows against the strings to shoot from the shadows at the upright in heart. When the foundations are being destroyed, what can the righteous do? The Lord is in his holy temple. The Lord is on his heavenly throne. He observes the sons of man. His eyes examine them. The Lord examines the righteous, but the wicked and those who love violence, his soul hates. On the wicked will he rain fiery coals and a burning sulfur. A scorching wind will be their lot. For the Lord is righteous. He loves justice. Upright men will see his face.